Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Rajati from We All Learn Today. Now we are going to discuss about Google Classroom. There are plenty of virtual teaching tools are available. We call them as LMS, Learning Management System. This Google Classroom is one among them. Today, let's explore the environment of Google Classroom. So first we have to type Google Classroom in a search box and click the second link. It's loading. Please hold on. So it's very effective tool and it's approved by UGC. Yeah, it's loading. So we have to click go to classroom. So for that we have to need one Gmail ID and password. If you have mail ID and password means you can directly go with your password and mail ID. Otherwise you have to create it. So I have a password, so I directly click my mail ID and then I will give my password. So if you have means you can directly go with your Gmail ID. So it's loading. So we have to click the continue. It takes some time. So after that we have to press the plus icon. We can create a class or join the class. So we have to click this plus icon. So first we have to create class. Okay, so click create class and then tick press continue. So we can create a class. So we have to give the class name BSc and CS and section it's your wish and subject. So after filling this, click create. Yeah, it's loading. So I just create a class now. So still I didn't have any students. This is very effective tools for teacher. So this is the class code. You can pass this class code to your students, then ask them to join. We can select the theme. So it's loading. By default it have several themes. We can select any one of these one. Otherwise we can create our own theme. So this is the default one. For sample I select this one. Yeah, it's uploaded. So this is the 4 stream and classwork, pupil, marks. So we will see one by one in the next video. So still we don't have any students. In the stream we can communicate some instruction to students. Thanks for watching.